If Bali is the popular girl at school with 500 Instagram followers and a coconut latte addiction, Lombok is her cooler sister who surfs at dawn, climbs volcanoes for fun, and doesn't care what you think. But here's the twist. She might just be better, and no one's telling you that. Yet. Because while the crowds are chasing Bali sunsets through traffic jams and overpriced smoothie bowls, Lombok is out here serving untamed waterfalls, secret beaches, and one of the most dangerous hikes in Southeast Asia, on an active volcano. You clicked because you're curious. Stick around, and I'll show you why even seasoned travelers are starting to whisper, "Forget Bali. Lombok is it." Let's get you oriented, without sounding like a guidebook. Lombok is an island in Indonesia, right next to Bali, but don't expect the same vibe. It's raw, it's real, and it's still weirdly under the radar. We're talking dramatic coastlines, villages that still practice traditional weaving, and a mountain, Mount Rinjani, that looks like it could swallow your soul, in a good way. If you're a first-timer, here's your holy trinity of Lombok. Senggigi, the Gili Islands, and Kuta. No, not Bali, Kuta. Lombok's got its own, and it's way less chaotic. Senggigi, your gentle landing strip. Think of Senggigi as your soft launch into Lombok. It's not where the cool kids are, but it is where you can shake off the jet lag with beach walks, solid food, and sunsets that don't have 300 people blocking your view with ring lights. Is it mind-blowing? No. But it's convenient, clean, and chill. And when you're ready to level up, hop a boat to the Gili Islands. Gili Islands. Paradise or party trap? There are 3 Gili Islands, and choosing the right one is like dating on Tinder. Gili Trawangan is the wild child. Expect all-night beach parties, fire dancers, and questionable decisions. Gili Meno is a honeymooner's dream. Quiet, romantic, and perfect if your idea of fun is whispering sweet nothings between naps. Gili Air is your compromise. Laid back but not dead. Friendly but not fratty. There are no cars, no motorbikes, and no stress. Just bicycles, horse carts, coral reefs, and enough bintang beer to make you forget what day it is. Back to Lombok. Kuta's where it gets interesting. Welcome to Kuta, Lombok, where surfers thrive, roads are dusty, and every corner feels like a secret still being written. It's raw and rugged, but if you squint, you'll see it. The next big thing. Here, you'll find beaches like Tanjung An, where the sand looks like pepper grains and the water is a Photoshop tutorial come to life. Or Mawun Beach, where hills cradle the bay like they're protecting it from being discovered too fast. And then there's Selong Belanak. Imagine a beach so perfect, even beginner surfers look like they know what they're doing. The waves roll in slow, the cows walk along the sand like locals, and yes, you'll want to stay forever. Oh, and did I mention the volcano trying to kill you, lovingly? Mount Rinjani isn't a hike, it's a life choice. At 3,726 meters, it's Indonesia's second highest volcano, and maybe the most painful way to fall in love with nature. The 2-day trek is brutal, but that sunrise at the crater rim? Unreal. Food, spicy, saucy, and unapologetic. This isn't Ubud. No smoothie bowls here. Think ayam taliwang, grilled chicken with enough spice to reboot your nervous system. Or pleasing kangkung, spicy water spinach that's weirdly addictive. Everything comes with sambal that doubles as a courage test. Getting around without losing it. Rent a scooter. The roads near Kuta are a dream, minus the occasional pothole big enough to charge rent. Not into scooters? Hire a driver. It's cheap, easy, and comes with bonus unsolicited life advice. Final word. Lombok is what Bali used to be. Unpolished, unpretentious, underrated. Yes, the infrastructure can be patchy. Yes, Wi-Fi sometimes disappears like your ex. But the reward? You get Indonesia, real Indonesia, without the filters. So don't just do Bali. Don't just pass through Lombok on the way to the Gilis. Give it a real shot. Because if there's one thing this island teaches you, it's this. The best things are the ones still flying under the radar. If you want to explore Bali's beaches but don't know where to start, check out our video on the Big Bali Beach Guide. It breaks it all down for you. Check it out after this.